right. Regular. All right, now we about to go in the show. We about to shake and bake. They just called us 6 or 9 months. Make sure you get my boy Guap on there. Yeah, we coming.
Big Guap, not the little one.
Jordan.
Yes, sir. Shout out my boy, heavy hitter.
You have the leash, babe? Yo, listen, man. 40 points away, man. 40? That's 4 times 10. You see, we in the building. Yo, this nigga about to smack shit first round. Yeah. Dominoes, copy coup on you niggas, man. You already, man, listen, shake and bake bullies, man. Even our productions is out here stunting, showing out, man, regular.